This video is made only for educational purposes. No stock ETF should be bought without advice from your investment advisor. Manappuram Finance Limited. Manappuram Finance Limited is one of the India's leading gold loan NBFCs in India. Its origins go back to 1949 when it was founded in the coastal village of Valpad of Kerala. Today, it has 4,637 branches across 28 states or UTS with assets under management of 272.24 billion rupees, a workforce of more than 30,000. Share price metrics. Manappuram Finance Limited has a market cap of 14,055 crore. Its shares are currently quoting 162 rupees. The company's EPS is 20 rupee 14 paise. The current market price of stock discounts the EPS by 8.24 times. The yearly low and price range of Manappuram Finance share is 139 rupees and 224 rupees. Current stock price of 162 rupees quotes at 1.86 times of book value. Operating parameters. The operating parameters of Manappuram Finance Limited are sound. Manappuram Finance has a good net profit margin of about 32% in FY 2021. Return of equity is good at 24.6%. Return on capital employed is also good at 23.52%. Debt equity ratio is manageable at 2.56 times. Dividend yield is near about 2%. Book value per share is 81 rupees 55 paise. Financials. Profit and loss amount in crores. Peer comparison with peer companies. Investment rationale. Second largest gold loan NBFC in India. Revenue and net profit are growing at a good pace. Large branch network. Low NPAs. Gross NPAs stood at 1.97%, while net NPA is 1.62%. The company has a microfinance subsidiary by name Ashirwad Microfinance Limited, which has considerable operations. Healthy return ratios supported by improvement in margins. Buy the shares of Manappuram Finance Limited. Current price is 162 rupees. 50% upside potential in 1 year. Share, give a like, leave a comment. Please subscribe our channel